Instagram Fast, the YouTube channel where you can find out everything about reviews, 0 to 100s and POVs. This video is all about this Volkswagen Polo. It's a POV video, so I hope you enjoy. We take a quick look to this car. It's wrapped, so it has a few custom things. It has also different rims. It's on the winter tire set, so that's why it looks like this. We have a very nice front splitter, and it's a Maxton design, and it has some side skirts. Over here you can see the other ones. It's also really nice. Also check out the Instagram page of Volkswagen Polo GTI. It's always fun there, and maybe he posts something about today. This is the backside of the car, and you will also hear the sound of this car from the GoPro on the exhaust. So let's make a fun drive POV. Welcome everybody to this Polo GTI. It's an insane car, and as you can see, this car is not really a basic Polo GTI. It has a lot of stuff in it, and as you can hear, the sound is pretty amazing. It's the red interior, and it also has red lights. That's really cool. It's a DSG, and it is pretty awesome. The steering wheel is normal as well. It's a very nice Polo GTI custom steering wheel, and it feels stunning. Enjoy the drive and let us know what you think about this Polo GTI. So guys, what an insane car to drive. It's incredible how fast this car is, what a sound it makes, what a looks it has. It's pretty amazing. I hope you all enjoyed this POV video from Damfest. My name is Robin. In that car we have Nicky. He drives with us. It's pretty fun. Maybe we can see it. This is my car. There they are. That's the owner. There's Nicky. And it's an amazing car. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, if you like this type of cars, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below what you think of this car and also what you want to see on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video. Yeah. So again, thanks for watching. Ciao.